Checkboxes are simple and effective way to track tasks, statuses, or choices in your workbook. But the standard checkbox isn't always the best option, especially when you need to add dozens of them or want your spreadsheet to look more polished. In this video, you will find out several different ways to create and use checkboxes in your worksheets. We will look at some creative alternatives that can make your sheets more interactive and visually appealing. Let's get started.
YLC Utilities, extension for LibreOffice Calc.
Hello everyone! In today's video I'm gonna show you a super easy way to add many different and colorful checkboxes without any coding or manual work with forms or controls. Checkboxes are a really handy way to mark statuses and keep track of things. Let's take a look at the following example. Here we have a list of goods and we want to mark which items have already been counted. The usual way to add a checkbox in LibreOffice Calc is to use a form control. For example, just open the form control toolbar and insert a checkbox. Pretty easy, right? But what if you need to add dozens or even hundreds of checkboxes? Doing this one by one can take quite a while. In that case, you need to write your own macro or just use an extension. For example, with YLC Utilities extension, you can easily add many checkboxes at once, saving a lot of time. But right now, I would like to show you another way. It's quick, simple, and doesn't require any macros. Let's take a look. Instead of using real checkboxes, we are going to simulate it via checkbox characters. We will use them in a cell format. To quickly get a checkbox sign, just use unichar function. The function returns any character by its own code. OK, now right-click the cell and open the cell formatting. In the format code field, we're gonna enter our custom number format. A format code consists of up to 4 parts. Format for positive values, for negative values, for zeros, and for text. We are going to use the first 3 only. For convenience, let's create the format string on the worksheet and then copy-paste it into here. Now, simply enter 0 or 1 to indicate whether an item has been counted. 1 means checked, and 0 means unchecked. These quick checkboxes have some nice advantages. Since they are actually just characters, you can format them like normal text. You can change their color, size, or even their font. For example, let's make our checkboxes more colorful. or maybe make them bigger or smaller. There is one important downside though. Because these are character symbols, you can't actually click them with the mouse to tick or untick them. So if you need a real clickable checkbox, you'll still want to use a form control. But there is another interesting option. Let's try a different type of checkbox. Make format code string. This time we will add dynamic colors to our number formatting. Now clone the formatting to the entire column. Colors give us even more possibilities for customizing the look of checkboxes. I will leave some sets of checkbox characters on the screen. You can pause the video and write down the character codes for the one you like. Hope these little tricks were useful and maybe showed you something new. If you like it, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye!